the Commonwealth of the Bahamas. So you're among 15 others, which makes the total of 16 others, which makes the total of 21 individuals trained in the Commonwealth of the Bahamas, inclusive of Trinidad, Turks and Caicos, and Cayman Islands.
Hi, my name is Pamela Smith. I am the supervisor of the Lignovite unit, that is the long-stay unit at the Sandons Rehabilitation Center. It was an awesome opportunity for me to be a part of the mall recognition therapy training today. Of course, the information that has been covered today over the past 4 days will be very instrumental as I continue to care for my clients.
Ready.
Hi, my name is Saloy Wallace. I live in the Turks and Caicos Islands. I am a probation and parole officer on that island. I have just completed 4 days of the MRT training. I must say it has been a very interesting course, full of information. I was able to learn a lot. My views were actually challenged, views of myself and views of my profession and the clients that I work with. The course has allowed me, although it was short, it has allowed me to understand my client base from a different perspective. So I am quite grateful for that.
Hi, my name is Kendra Bowe. I'm an administrator with the Ministry of Education at the Youth and Family Center. And this training was a phenomenal experience. The MRT is going to allow me now to have the curriculum to enforce a drug curriculum in the Youth and Family Center, where we're going to be doing psychoeducation classes and therapy as well. So that population that really is facing a lot of challenges, this program now equips me to be able to assist that population.
Delvon Duncombe, Lieutenant, Royal Bahamas Defense Force. I'm the Rangers Director, as well as the A2 Commander Defense Force. This training exercise was very, very informative and surprisingly intense.
Hi, my name is Eunice Rowe. I'm a petty officer on the Royal Bahamas Defense Force, a veteran of 25 years. This course that was facilitated by the LEAD Institute has been remarkable. I had first-hand basis on the experience of knowing who I am, being honest with myself, being truthful about where I'm going, the career path, decision makings, putting others first. It was a phenomenal course, and I would recommend it to our group institution at our churches. It really is an eye-opener, and for someone like me who facilitate workshops twice a year, and I teach on awareness, this has been a totally different level of awareness, and I am just so happy and honored to be a part of this.
I think my biggest takeaway is the fact that I learned a lot about myself and my past, and how my past has affected my present and how I see myself in the future. One of the steps that stood out to me was the weekly hours task. I saw how much time I actually waste or spend on things that are not necessarily important, but I also realized that I spend a lot of time working, and that reflects my passion for my job.
This MRT was an awesome experience, and I most certainly will recommend the course to my colleagues.